In this video, we're going to make a perpendicular through a point off the line. So the point we're going to concern ourselves with in this video is point A, not point B. So in the last video, we made something where we made a perpendicular to a point on the line. This one's going to be off, so we're going to be worried about point A, not point B. And it's almost exactly the same steps as the last video. Only this one, we're going to place the compass on the point off the line. So again, we go over to the right to our tools and we select the compass. And we're going to go up to point A. So again, point B is not a part of this construction. So I'm going to purposely make it so it avoids point B. So we place the compass on the point off the line. Step 2 is to make arcs from the point that intersect the line. So just like before, we made arcs that intersected. This time we're going to make them. So those arcs intersected twice. Step 3 says draw points from the intersection of the points and lines. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use my green point and I'm going to make it a fatter point. So we go up to where it touches. So it touches right there. And again, I don't have my line or pencil selected, so I can't draw anything. So there's the first point, and the second point is right about there. So step 4, construct a perpendicular bisector from these 2 points. That was the exact same thing we did in the last construction. So I'm going to get the compass. I'm going to make my line skinnier. So I'm going to change that back to skinny. So the 2 points that I have are right here. So I have to make sure it's past halfway, and it is. It's actually a little bit too far probably, so I'll move it in a bit. That looks better. And again, I'm not doing anything with point A. I was careful to avoid that, so don't get confused with point B. So we move over to the other point, intersection of the arc, and I have to make sure that it touches. So there we go. So whenever we finish our construction, we have a line. So it should go through this point, the intersection, 2 arcs, should go through the intersection of the other one, and finally it should go through point A. And sometimes you might be off a little bit, but that's just an error in the way that we drew it. So that's it. We've constructed a perpendicular to a point off the line. So here's our right angle, and it goes through point A. And that's it. I hope that was helpful.